Here's a bold truth. The idea that healthy eating is expensive is a myth, and it's time to debunk it once and for all. As the cost of living continues to soar, many are left wondering how to nourish their bodies without draining their wallets. But here's where it gets eye-opening. Australia's leading food and cooking site, taste.com.au, has revealed that more Aussies than ever are prioritizing healthier food choices, proving that eating well doesn't have to break the bank. To celebrate 100 days until summer, the site surveyed 50 registered Australian dietitians to uncover the truth about nutrition. And the results are game-changing. Nutrition consultant Joel Feren is on a mission to bust the myth that clean eating is costly. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive, he told news.com.au. There's this widespread belief that nutritious meals require a hefty budget. But the evidence tells a different story. In fact, sticking to the Australian dietary guidelines can actually be more affordable. And this is the part most people miss. It's not about splurging on trendy superfoods, but about choosing everyday, budget-friendly staples that pack a nutritional punch. As part of their Healthy 100 initiative, Taste.com.au is sharing 100 feel-good recipes featuring ingredients recommended by top dietitians. Amira Georgi, the site's digital food director, suggests focusing on nutritional powerhouses like eggs, canned beans, lentils, and seasonal vegetables to eat well without overspending. Buying whole grains in bulk, oats, brown rice, quinoa, offers great value, she adds. And don't overlook frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh, last longer, and often cost less. But here's where it gets controversial. Georgie encourages experimenting with lesser-known grains like freekeh and bulgur, which are not only budget-friendly, but also rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Could these underappreciated ingredients be the key to affordable, healthy eating? It's a question worth exploring. Both Georgie and Feren emphasize the power of home cooking. Cooking at home slashes costs and gives you control over ingredients and portions, Georgie explains. Takeaway or restaurant meals can cost 3 to 4 times more than homemade alternatives, and you avoid hidden sugars, excess sodium, and processed additives, Feren adds. I'd love to see more people back in the kitchen. Instead of dining out, invite friends over for a home-cooked meal. Another often overlooked benefit of home cooking? Reducing food waste. Feren suggests adopting a nose-to-tail approach with vegetables, using every part, from broccoli stems to carrot tops, to create sauces or pestos. Planning meals and shopping with a list also minimizes waste and spontaneous purchases, he advises. Feren introduces the concept of crowding, filling your kitchen with healthy, affordable options to make better choices effortlessly. This simple strategy could help Aussies meet their dietary needs, especially since only 54% consume their recommended 2 servings of fruit daily, and a staggering 93% fall short on their 5 servings of vegetables. Here's a thought-provoking question. Could adopting trends like Meatless Mondays not only benefit the planet and your health, but also your wallet? Feren believes so. Incorporating more plant-based meals ticks all the boxes, he says. It's good for you, the planet, and your budget. Ready to transform your eating habits without breaking the bank? Visit taste.com.au/healthy100 for practical tips, recipes, and insights to cut through the confusion and build healthier habits, one meal at a time. What's your take on the healthy eating is expensive myth? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation.